Hi everyone, I'm Sanjana Prasad. Welcome to Yoga.The. Overworking has become a habit today and something to be very proud of as well. But to the point where which you're forced to take a break because you do not have mental clarity. Modifying or tweaking your yoga practice can help you with this brain fog. It can help you to get rid of this brain fog and can give your focus and attention a kickstart. So let's begin our practice today, yoga for better mental clarity and focus. We're going to start off standing and we're going to start with a very simple balancing posture. Balancing postures help you to drive your focus and to kickstart your awareness. So let's start by stepping to the top of your mat. Your feet are slightly apart, little narrower than hip width. You're going to place your palms on your waist and slowly, very gently, start to lift your right knee up towards your belly. Stay there. If possible, lift your arms up. Now, without placing your right leg down, start to bend forward, taking your fingertips to the floor and your right leg all the way back and gently drop the knee down. And as you inhale, you're going to lift your arms up and you're going to open up the chest. Back bends allow you to energize and regain that energy that's lost because of all of that work. Exhale and slowly bring your arms down. You're going to pick up the right knee and as you exhale, step the right foot forward back to where you started, this time coming into a nice forward fold. Forward folds allow the blood to flow down towards your head. Increased blood flow towards your brain, allowing to calm your nerves, energizing at the same time. And as you inhale, bend your knees and very gently roll up, vertebra by vertebra, very slowly with your head and neck coming up last. You repeat the same thing to the other side, palms on your waist, shifting your weight to your right foot. Exhale and lift the left knee up. Focus on one point in front of you. Lift your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Fingertips down, taking your foot all the way back, dropping the knee down. Inhale, swinging your arms up, chest open. Exhale, fingertips down. Take another inhale here. Exhale and step forward. This time, see if you can tuck your palms underneath your toes and go deeper into that forward fold, your abdomen moving closer to your thighs. And keep the weight on the balls of the feet, not shifting back but staying forward. Getting your palms down. If you need to, you can bend the knees here, step back, right foot, left foot to downward dog. Downward dog is like a half inversion, again allowing the blood to flow in towards your head. Stay here. You're going to bend your knees gently and you're going to just hop forward. Once you go there, get into a full squat. Take your arms forward. As you exhale, gently getting your hips down and stretch your legs forward into Dandasana. Bring your palms down by the sides of the body. Get comfortable here. Take a couple of breaths. Next inhalation, lift your arms up, interlock your fingers and stretch up. And as you exhale, draw the belly in, fold forward, go all the way down. Forward folds, very calming, relaxing postures. Allows you to introspect, slow down your breath. Interlock your fingers, inhale and come up. Exhale and take your palms behind you. You're going to bend your knees, place your feet hip width apart, roll your shoulders back, fingertips are pointing towards the hips. Press into your palms, inhale, lift up. Chest is opening up the throat. Exhale and slowly come down. Keeping your feet exactly where they are, lifting your arms up. Lean back slightly. Exhale and pick the legs up. Navasana. From there, dropping your feet down again. Keep your right knee bent. Stretch only the left leg forward. Lift your left arm up. Twist and hug the right knee. Right hand goes behind you. Exhale, twist and look back. From there, you're going to use your left hand. Hold on to the outside of the right foot. Stretch it forward. Lift the right arm up. Looking at your fingertips, bend the knee, bring your palm back to the floor. Inhale, lift your arm up. Exhale, exiting the posture. Switching sides, right leg forward, left leg back. Inhale, lift the right arm up. Exhale, twist, hug the knee, deepen your twist, look back. Holding the outside of the foot. Exhale and stretch your leg forward, lifting your arms up. Your point of focus is your fingertips. Building concentration here. Exhale, palm down, foot down. Inhale, lift your arm up. Exhale, coming down. Stretching your leg forward, arms go up. Inhale. Exhale here, and as you inhale, round your back and vertebra by vertebra release into the floor. Exhale and slowly bring your arms down. Next exhalation, bend both your knees, feet hip width apart. Make sure your head is relaxed. Inhale and lift your hips up. If you can, interlock your fingers underneath your back. Drive your shoulder blades closer to each other. Press into the floor, lifting the hips away. Release your fingertips. Exhale, come down. From here, next exhalation, lift your legs up into shoulder stand. Inversions are great postures for bettering your mental clarity, calming and clearing your mind, improving your thought process. Exhale, Akunchanasana, knees towards the forehead. From there, stretching your legs all the way back. Plow pose, Halasana, interlock your fingers. Supporting the back again, roll down vertebra by vertebra. And as you come down, tuck your arms underneath the back, lift the head up, open the chest, drop the head back. Matsyasana. Lifting the head up, slowly lying down and releasing your arms, keeping your feet apart, eyes closed, slowing down your breath for a few seconds. Bending your knees, turning to your right side, very gently, you're going to sit up in a comfortable cross-leg posture. You're going to finish your practice with a very simple meditative technique. As you inhale and exhale, you're just going to count your breaths. So inhale 1, exhale 1. Inhale 2, exhale 2. Try to do this for 10 breaths. You have to focus on the breath. If you find your mind wandering and you're mechanically counting the breath, start again from 1. This helps to improve your focus and your concentration. Really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in another episode. I'm Sanjana Prasad for Yoga and You.